In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn the easiest way to remove blemishes, pimples, and acne from a photo in Photoshop. So first is first, press Ctrl J to duplicate your background layer. Then here we are going to add a black and white adjustment layer. Let's reduce the rest a bit. Now we are doing this to be able to see the blemishes very well. Okay, now come back to your layer, your copied layer. And in this tutorial, we are using two tools to remove the blemishes. We'll be using the spot healing brush tool and the patch tool. So yes, let's circle around it, copy it to a location. Yes. That's what we are going to be doing. Yeah, then let's delete our black and white adjustment layer. So these are before and then these are after. If you are sampling from a close by area, now let's use our spot healing brush tool. Hardness set to 0, spacing should be 25. Okay, and then just try to remove any blemishes you can as possible. Make the other step easier. So that's what we'll be doing. Let's duplicate our layer again. Ctrl J. Okay. Then press Ctrl R on your keyboard to invert the layer. Then go to the normal vivid light. Now go to filter, other, high pass. The radius here depends on your image. For my image, 8.6 is cool with it. So I'll press OK. I'll go to filter again. Blur. Gaussian blur. Here I'll use 5.2. But for the best result, you need to go to your 0. From 0, then you increasing it to see which value fits well. And now I will use 5.2. Now press OK. And here I'll come and hold Alt and click on the mask icon. Yeah, I'll select my brush. Make sure my hardness is set to 0. Now I'm selecting my from brush. Make sure your foreground color set to white. And you begin to brush. Begin brushing over the image. And one important thing is when brushing, try to brush according to the shape of the image. Don't just brush anyhow, no. So in case you've learned anything or you found value in this video, I suggest you give this video a like. It takes a lot of effort and time to create this video. And also go to the comment section and type retouching or before. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe, and then after.